Hey y'all, so today I have Italian sausage with bell peppers on a bun to eat, and I have water. So hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and yeah. And I hope y'all are having a great day because I'm having a great day. And if you're not, then I hope your day gets better. Yeah, good. Yeah, good. That's good, y'all. One thing about me, I love Italian sausage. I love it on my pizza. I love it with my hot dogs. I just love it. I love it in my casserole. It does not get anything better than here. Italian sausage is the bomb. Pepper. I seasoned that pepper with chicken bouillon. Didn't disappoint. Y'all need to start trying it with chicken bouillon. Seasoning y'all peppers with chicken bouillon because it's fire. Swear to God it is. I was just falling off. But that's okay. Because sometimes I can be a messy eater. Sometimes it ain't nothing wrong with it. Let me get some water, y'all. So refreshing. I swear to God. Well, we don't supposed to swear to God. No. Good. It's good. Respect the taste, y'all. I bet some of y'all like, I'm respect the taste because I want one right now. And it's pretty good too. I got these sausages from Walmart. Walmart really never fails. Putting the peppers back on the bun. And yeah, we're eating around here. And y'all, feel free to eat with me sometime. We can eat with each other. I don't mind. This is a friendly page over here. Eat with me sometime, guys. I'm gonna eat this one off camera, y'all. I'm 5 minutes in, and I don't want to run out of storage. So I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next video.